Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about some tea. We're going to be talking about some tea from like that first started when I started my business, when I launched everything, and there's a lot to talk about. But first, like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. But guess what I have? I have fruit. I got watermelon, grapes, and strawberries. So I'm going to be eating this throughout the video. And if you don't want to hear me eat and talk or whatever, then leave this video. And yeah, because I'm not gonna be dealing with the comments talking about I could hear you eat, I could hear you chewing. I'm not dealing with that. So let me take my first bite of watermelon. Oh. That's good. Okay, hold up. Second bite. Oh wait, and I have my, I can't pronounce it, tajin, whatever. I'm sorry. I'm like a disgrace to the Latino community. I'm so sorry. Anyways, let's get started. Oh my god, where do I start? I don't even know where to start. Let's start with this one. I was on Instagram, going through my explore page. Well, of course, I'm always on my business page. So I'm going through my explore page. And then I see like a lip gloss video. I'm like, oh my god, that's really nice. So I click on the girl's profile on her lip gloss page, and I scroll down, and guess what I see? I see a picture of my lip scrub. So I was like, okay, maybe she gave me credit and I never saw it. I click on the picture. There's no credit. There's nothing. No credit. And then the caption was like, would you guys buy this? And people were commenting, yes, oh my god, this looks so good, blah, blah, blah. So I was like, what? And this girl has her own business. So, and she had more followers than me. She had like 4,000 and I was only at 2,000. So I messaged her. No, first I commented. I commented under the picture of my lip scrub, and I said, hey, I would really appreciate if you'd give me picture credit, and I put a heart at the end of my sentence. Then literally, not even 1 minute later, she deletes my comment. So it's like, okay, now that's rude because I commented nicely. And I could have been rude. I could have put you on blast on my story or something like that. But I'm not like that. So I was like, I felt disrespected. I was like, that is so rude. What the heck? So I was like, should I leave it alone or what? But so many other things that happened to me, but I never addressed it. So this one, I wanted to address it. So I messaged her, and she was like, I messaged her. I was like, hey, I find it kind of rude that you deleted my comment right away when I asked you to give me credit. And she was like, it's not rude that I deleted your comment. And in my caption, I put, this is not my picture. So yeah. And she had some attitude. And there was a lot that I wanted to say, but she got me really mad. Because I found her main page. Her main page is in her business story. It's in her business bio, whatever. So I click on her main page and her boobs are all out. So I was like, okay, I was about to say something about that. But I was like, you know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm not that type of person, whatever. So I just left it alone. Okay. And then, like a week later, that same girl messages me. And she was like, can you help me with my Big Cartel site? I don't know how to make my Big Cartel site. And she was like, first she wanted me to help her with Big Cartel. Then she was like, can you help me with Stripe? I don't know how to work Stripe. I'm like, first off, you're like 22. At that time, I was 15. I was like, if I can figure out every single thing by myself, then you can. But I was like, it's so simple. But I still helped her anyway because I'm nice. But oh my god, I was so mad still. So that happened. Now let's get to this other one. This other one, oh my god, this was big. This one, So this girl, actually, one of my followers contacted me. She DM'd me on Instagram, and she was like, "Hey, this girl from Etsy is using your picture, and you're in the same, and she's using the same name as your lip gloss." And my lip gloss was Purple Pop. Purple Pop was the first lip gloss that I ever made. So the girl from Etsy, I click on her Etsy shop or whatever, and she was using my picture of my lip gloss on the lips, and it shows like all the sparkles and stuff. She was using my picture, and she chose the same exact name. So I'm like, that's a coincidence. That's not a coincidence, right? Like, the same name and you took my picture. Okay. So I messaged her, and I was like, I messaged her because I have my own Etsy account, so I emailed her on her business whatever email, and I said something about like I think I said I'm not sure if this is a coincidence or not, but no, hold up, no, I talked to her about the picture. I was like, "Hi, you stole my picture, and I would like for you to, like, delete that and use your own picture instead, blah blah blah." And then she emailed me, and she was like, she just went off, like, she was very rude. And then I talked to her regarding about the name Purple Pop. Purple Pop was what I came up with, and I didn't think it was cool. It was no coincidence that she had the same name as me, and she took my picture. That's just, no, that don't sound right. So, hold on, let me get a bite of this. Nah, that's weird. Okay, so I told her about the name and stuff, and she was like, I made this lip gloss way before you. I'm like, first off, how you even know if you made that way before me? She was like, before I made, she was like, hold up, sorry. She was like, I made this lip gloss way before you, and the name used to be a Purple Valentine, but I wanted to change the name, so I changed it to Purple Pop, and blah 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 blah, whatever. I was so mad. I was furious. I was like, first off, I don't know why you're being like, I don't know why this girl was being mad rude and disrespectful. And she was older than me. She was in her early 20s. I'm like, you're in your early 20s. Learn how to act your age, be respectful, because I'm way younger than you. And I'm keeping my stuff together, unlike you. So that was getting me mad, but I didn't tell her that. But oh my god, I just wanted to go off. But, But yeah, that happened, and then what else happened? Oh shoot. Yeah, that happened, and she was really mad, and I was like, she went off, and I was like, whatever. I was the bigger person, and I'm like, well, I'm sorry for frick. What did I say? I was like, I'm sorry if I came off rude, Nobody likes to be accused of anything, but I just wanted to address this, and blah, blah, blah. So it turns out she said that she was going to delete my picture off of her Etsy website, but she never did. But then, luckily, I think she did. I think she did days after. But still, girl, if you're going to say you're going to delete it off your page, delete it now. Period. So that happened. That was one of the things that got me really, really mad. Like, I wanted to go off, but I didn't. Okay, then there's another one. Hold up, let me get a bite of this again. So before I used to like kind of hand things to people. Like, people would ask me, where do you get your products from? I would tell them every single thing in detail, like every single thing. I was too nice and I was too stupid to do that. So this one girl, she was like, I'm starting my own business, blah 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 blah. So I helped her. I gave her hella information, and I gave her advice and things like that. So my slogan is, let's grow and glow together. Right after I gave her all that advice, I went to go follow her business account, right? I went to go follow it, and I see that her slogan is let's glow together. You stole half of my slogan. What? That's so unoriginal of you. So I was like, maybe I'm tripping. Like, maybe I'm tripping. I need to chill, you know? But then I started asking other people. I was like, am I tripping? And I told them what happened. They were like, no, girl, she literally stole your slogan. That is not cool at all. So that kind of got me mad, and I was kind of upset because I was like, I was nice enough to give you all this information and give you advice, and then you want to steal my slogan. So I guess she realized that because I went on live and I talked about it many times, and I guess maybe she was in my live, or maybe people found her stuff and they were like, hey, be more original. So then she finally changed her slogan to something else. But honestly, I was mad. I'm making a video. Go with your mommy. Anyways, that got me really mad. Oh, recently, literally a couple days ago, I'm on vacation in Florida. Minding my own business, getting my orders. Then I get an email from this girl. So I got an email from this girl. And hold up. So USPS never scanned her package, but they scan your package when you're tracking it, and then they scan it again for like, oh, it's delivered. They never scanned it for when it was supposed to be delivered. So she never got her package. So I guess it was lost or damaged or something like that. With USPS be playing games. So that girl, we already exchanged emails, and I told her, hey, let's wait a little more, and let's see if you get your package or not, and then if not, please tell me so I can send you a free package. Let me tell you, she only bought a lip scrub, a mango lip scrub. They're like this big, bro. Oh, she only bought one mango lip scrub. Okay. So then she emails me again. She was like, I'm going to sue you if I don't get my package. Girl, hold up. What are you talking about? You're about to sue me over a lip scrub? You're tripping. You're really tripping. So that got me really mad because I'm on vacation. I'm having a great time, getting tans. Ooh. Then all of a sudden I get that email. I'm like, okay, you're really tripping over a lip scrub. Like, I'm very nice. I'm very nice to all my customers and even to the rude people. So that got me really mad. I told her, I emailed her. I was like, no, you should sue USPS. It's USPS is responsible for your package after I ship it. I'm in no control of your package, and if it's damaged, lost, or stolen, I'm in no control of that. USPS is responsible for getting your package delivered to you safely. Then I was like, and I'll gladly, I put that in all capitals, and I'll gladly send you a free lip scrub. Then she emailed me back and she was like, I'm so sorry, blah blah blah, whatever. That got me so mad. I was like, really? Like, people always want to act dumb. I understand, like, if you ordered a lot of things, I would understand that you're angry. You paid a lot of money for that. But if you just paid for one tiny lip scrub, and you want to, like, go off on me, no thank you. That is rude. And I told her, like, don't disrespect me over USPS's mistake. Okay, what else? Oh, so y'all know about my one lip gloss video about how to make a clear lip gloss, and you know how my explaining was horrible, whatever. Okay, so a lot of people from that video, since I have hella views on that video, a lot of people from that video found my business Instagram, and I went live for like the first time or the second time on my business Instagram, and one of the haters from my YouTube from that video made a fake Instagram or whatever, and she started following my Instagram, my business Instagram, and then I went live, and then she was like, she was talking about promoters and things like that, And I was like, well, right now I'm not thinking about promoters, but maybe in the future I'll give them like a 25% discount for starters. And yeah. And she was like, that's not effing fair. You're a bad business owner. You're this, you're that. You're so unprofessional. And she was like cussing me out, calling me a B and all these things. And I was like, and all I said was, if you're going to disrespect me, please get out of my life and block me. I'm not going to be dealing with that disrespect while I'm just giving out, information and being nice and being respectful, unlike you. And yeah, that's exactly what I said. And then everyone started defending me. I was like, I love y'all so much. But yeah, that got me mad. Mm-mm. Like, you really went out of your way to make a fake Instagram, go on my live, and basically insult me. You have no life, basically, and that's sad. But anyway, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I think that's it for now. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. But yeah, anyways, those are like the main things that have happened and that got me really mad and things like that. So anyways, I hope you guys like and subscribe and enjoy this video. And yeah.